Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright guys, so one of the other mods I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be welding these joints. See in one of my other videos I prepped it, but I'm going to weld this joint, weld that joint, the one down the side, the one meeting the trailer there, and down at the back side, and then also in the middle there I'll probably run a bead. I just want to make sure it's nice and tight, just in case these bolts rattle loose, the trailer's not going to fall apart. So you guys can do what you want and leave the bolts, not weld it, do whatever, but I just, I have a welder out and I'm just going to run a few beads, so check it out. Alright guys, so I got all the joints welded up now. Everything that I wanted is welded up. Basically it was all the framework, the tongue work that I wanted to weld up. And then I welded these guys, all four corners, just to kind of strengthen it a little bit and make it so it's a little less noisy on the road. So what's left on the next video, I'm going to put some tie downs across the sides. Now this does come with these hooks, but never hurts to have more. I just like to have these type of hooks because they can move. See, they can move. You just weld them in those holes and call it good. So I'm going to lay those out on the sides and then weld them all up, and then I think that'll be it on the mods. Actually no, there's one more. I'll be doing the tail lights, so stay tuned for those guys, the tail lights.